Welcome, today we're going to show you how to use QuickCharts in n8n. So from here you can actually create a new workflow or use a workflow that you have. After you do that, you need to click on the plus icon I see from here, and from here you need to search for QuickChart. So you need to click on here, and after that from here you can choose the type of the QuickChart that you want to use. So I can use a donut chart, line chart, pie chart, or polar chart. So from here you can just add labels. So I will add any label like tutorial, and from here you can add the data. So I can just write any number I want. So I can just write 1, 2, 3, 4 or something like that. After that you can from here write the output field, and then you can manipulate the settings from here. You can say always output data, execute once, retry on fail, and you can just edit the settings for that. Here you can write notes, or you can write what happens on an error. After that you can click on execute step, and that will execute for you. So I don't have write data from here, so nothing will execute for me. So you need to choose the data that you want to work for and then output it on a quick chart. So after you finish that, you will find the output on your workspace. I'll see you from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.